Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can convert your images to PDF file. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Guys, I will show you an amazing method. Using this method you can convert your any image to PDF file easily. First of all, open your Google Photos. In here you choose a photo which you will convert to PDF file. So I have chosen this photo from here. Now if you want to convert your photo to PDF file, then click on three dots at the top right corner. Then slide left of the menu bar. And then click on print. Here you can resize your paper if you want. And then tap on PDF button. And finally click on Save button to save your file. Now your image has been successfully converted to PDF file. Now if I go to my file manager, then you can see that my image has been converted to PDF successfully. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like,